Let's talk about Yolo. It's a new app with an outdated name
You only live once, that's the motto. Yolo.
that has gotten really popular in just a week. It's already topping download charts in the UK and the US, but not everyone's stoked about it. First up, let's take a look at what Yolo actually is. It's an app that is connected to Snapchat, and it lets you post stickers which users can then reply to anonymously. At the moment, it's only available on Apple devices, no Android just yet, but you'll need to install it and give it access to your Snapchat, which is something that some people aren't too comfortable with. But if you're just replying to someone else's sticker, then you don't need to install it. The OP, who is the original poster, can then look through all of the replies that they've gotten and decide who they want to reply to and who to share it with. The main thing that people are worried about is something the internet has proven time and time again, that people can be jerks. And all you need to do is look at something like celebs reading mean tweets.
Paul Rudd is the most boring vanilla dude.
Chris Evans is a stupid bearded sweater wearing dumb dork. Also, while I'm comparing old men to reptiles, ever notice that Samuel L. Jackson looks like a snapping turtle?
Now, when the users are anonymous, that can make it even worse, because people feel like they're not going to face any consequences. This concern and debate is actually something we've seen before. Back in 2017, a bunch of concerned parents got together to try and get an app called Sarahah banned. It was a similar kind of app with anonymous messaging, and they started an online petition which got almost 500,000 signatures. Some of the parents said their kids had been bullied, others that their kids had actually been threatened. Overall, it was a lot of nasty stuff. This whole controversy surrounding Yolo comes at a bit of an awkward time for Snapchat because they're already in another debate about streaks. Streaks are basically when you get rewarded for sending photos or videos to another person on a consecutive number of days. And if you miss one of those days, then your streak goes away. The UK data watchdog is worried that streaks can encourage social media addiction in young people because kids can feel pressured to revisit the app every day. So now Snapchat is thinking of making streaks unavailable for kids under 18. Don't get me wrong, Snapchat is not the only social media platform that's copping a bit of heat right now. Instagram is also trialling getting rid of likes in Canada at the moment, because some people are worried about the impact they have on mental health. Basically, you'll be able to see the likes on your photos, but not on other people's photos, so there's less pressure to have more likes than your mates. Back to Yolo. It's pretty clear they're aware of some of the concerns people have about cyberbullying, because before you send a message, this warning pops up. It says it'll reveal the identities of people sending harassing or bullying messages. But with hundreds of thousands of messages going through the app, some reckon it's going to be pretty hard to police everything. At the end of the day, it's just important to remember to be nice to other people online and treat them as you want to be treated. And also, if any YouTubers tell you that they have a secret magic trick as a way to reveal who is anonymously messaging you, it's probably a scam and they're probably going to try and take your information or data, so don't fall for it.